DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, you don't know what it is. It's boy Jambisco banger. I see where I deal with. This one is well requested. Shout out to the Dan Mafia member, all of the members them that have been requested this one. Yeah man, this one very requested. Mavado. Yeah man? Govana times Mavado. The one named 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. I think this one is off of Govana's new project, new album. Damn, what was the name of his new album? Damn, I forgot the name of his album, bro. My bad, Govana. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, today we got Govana, Mavado, 𝐑𝐿𝐻. We're gonna check it out, see what Govana gang. We don't hold the vibe much longer. You don't know what time.
But what am I try? I'm peace to punish though. You know you sit me go.
Cassava peace to Spanish town. You know things set. Wow, go on because hey.
It's over there.
Like this be crazy.
Send boy on the dirt again.
Bad man fling, buckle boom in a boy house. Front of your woman as lean a boy mouth. Chop out head side shot a yay out. Rifle on the seat when it the drive out. One gun, one down, catch him on a program.
Oh, bumbo, yo, the jacket are tough still, you know. Easy, you know. Alright, get
one gun, one down, catch him on a program. Make it 4-4 slam. Shipment, Portland 15 scope and Miss Nina Town.
Easy, no man, I'm told you.
15 scope.
Yeah, we know, yeah.
Miss Nina Town and they find it on a Portland. Fire shot, show up and planted with them grow yam. Brooklyn, for them pussy and a no man. Pull up on your door jam, just apply more man. If a 415, them a carry 4 pan.
Pull up on your door jam, just apply. Get it? Pull up on your door jam, just apply. 4A.
Pressing a low pan, blood boy choke pan. All we need a location and motion. Chop out in testing and fling them in a ocean. Seat up them can float pan.
All we need location and a motion. I'm telling you, man. Come in, man. Me like all we need a location and a motion, boy. Chop out boy.
Pressing a low pan, blood boy choke pan. All we need a location and motion. Chop out in testing and fling them in a ocean. Seat up them can float pan. Bad man we deal with crime. Grimy.
Yeah.
Murder one so poor.
Easy gully god pan them. Come in.
Folk can't find me. Copper flow from the 100 pan. Easy me press money parabellum. That is a dope that I follow me now.
I like when you come in and easy me press pan the follow me and the beat us. Boom. Listen to that shit nice. Come in.
From the 100 pan. Easy me press money parabellum. That is a dope that I follow me now. Spin me roll and fire my gun. 𝐑𝐿𝐻.
I'm spin me roll and fire me gun. Easy gully god. Come in, man.
That is a dope
Up here, follow man. Hey, come in.
that I follow me now. Spin me roll and fire my gun. 𝐑𝐿𝐻 with a system I swallow with them. Rifle and waster, 15 Draco. Goons them NATO, then I can save up. 16 wake up, building shake up. AR-18 2 clip.
Dollar can save up. I'm telling you, I don't know. Dollar can all type of binds, isn't it? You know when I say dollar can, we don't. Hey, we don't.
Building shake up.
If you know, you know.
AR-18 2 clip tape up. Killer them at a while. Some can, we a mud. Berry boy, be a dot. Rev it till the key buck up. Killer way of shining. Killer way of beard up. Bullet in the face, so the killer them a spear up. Brawling front page.
Don't play on the killer them up spear you. Govana chop, you know. Govana chop, you know. Come in, man. Come in, man.
15 Draco, goons them NATO, then I can save up.
Big up J.A. You see me I say, yeah man, come in.
15 Draco, goons them NATO, then I can save up. 16 wake up, building shake up. AR-18 2 clip tape up. Killer them at a while, some can, we a mud. Berry boy, be a dot. Rev it till the key buck up. Killer way of shining, killer way of beard up. Bullet in the face, so the killer them a spear up. Brawling front page, Matic on the sun age. 40 a bus face. Boss head, boss case, back from broke days, but you never broke place. Bury that.
Easy.
Broke bone in a boy, tough face. No shoes, no flares. Sticking away upstairs.
Yes.
Bad man pump up his shot like truck break.
Yes.
Box a shot, don't play ball, get it and a hug yet. Gully God don't tell us that the killer deal with crime.
Yeah. Easy governor. Easy governor. Wanna chop on that man. Come in now.
So Popo can't find me. Cup of flow from the 100 pan. Easy me press on the parabellum. That God is a dope without a follow me now. Me up, spin me roll and fire my gun. Earth a hell with a system a swallow with them. Don't richer than all who a stream. Me dopey gun fly past 15. Me turn me enemies now my victims. So no pussy can't style man. Oh God, and you know from them this never dead. That's
yeah man, them are chop man. Bad tune. Govana, Mavado, easy.
we grow. A gunshot in at them face make them head grow. The 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 left them look like a scarecrow.
Yeah man. Just like that. Yes. Just like that. Bad tune. Yeah man, gang. Yeah man. Govana, Mavado. What do you think about the one there? What do you think about the one there? Yeah man, dog. I go on. It out there and do with the one there. You see me? They nigga them slid down that beat, bro. You see me? We not listen to Govana album yet, you know. I wonder if we should do a live stream on that. Let me know if you want a live stream, we can do the album and we can drop a video on the full album reaction. That's what I said, but yeah man, I like the tune. The production quality is crazy, visuals crazy, beats. Yo, Govana was sliding on that shit. You see me and some killers were balling down. Some killers are shining down, beard up, all pure. Govana say, yo, easy, me press on the parabellum. Right, you say easy is a dopey, you follow me now, me have to spin me roll and follow me gun. I don't know that fire me gun. If I don't know what spin roll mean, that when they back me all the time you say spin a roll so you can get the dopey off fire. You see me answer, but yeah. Yeah, let me know anything about it in the comment section if you like it, if you show the artist on the one support. Let them know how they dancing, you know. You see me? Definitely. Let them know how they dancing, you know. Drop your comments, let me know your favorite part. Also, drop your requests, you get your shout out, all that good stuff. Gang. You don't know what time it is, going live later, so look out for that. You already know what time it is. Next time, it's boy Jambisco. Next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.